Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. So cat eyes in different ways. We'll do a few different examples of cat eyes here for you. Kind of surprised eyes here. There's different ways to do the eyes for sure. And I keep changing, finding new ways, trying different things. I encourage you to do the same. I'll put these ones on a whole head. I'd love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or what you want to learn about cat drawing or whatever you want to tell me. Help us build this great community of crazy cat artists. Maybe can you tell me which pair of eyes you like the best here too? And why? And these ones aren't going to have any highlights. Highlights really are an option. It's up to you. Sometimes highlights can be overdone. I think the one above the one I'm working on now, I don't really like this one here. I don't really like the highlights that much. I'm going to fix this one up a bit. It's really good exercise to do a whole page of eyes or whatever other feature you want practice with. They really are the feature of the cat's face, aren't they? Not that the other parts aren't important too. But as they say, the eyes are the window to the soul. And we know about cat souls, they're mysterious. I'm putting some shading at the top of those ones, because eyes do kind of have a bit of a shadow at the top. I'm talking about the ones on the top where I just put the tabby stripes. And you can make your eyes as detailed or as simplified as you like. Some of these eyes are definitely more simplified. Yeah, I didn't really like where those ones were going. Tell me which is your fave and why. And thank you so much for watching today. And we'll see you next time.